Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that's reshaping the way we think about earning extra income AI-driven side hustles. As technology continues to evolve, artificial intelligence is becoming a powerful tool for individuals looking to boost their financial independence. In this video, we'll explore how AI can help you create innovative side hustles that not only fit into your busy lifestyle, but also have the potential to generate significant income. We'll start by discussing what AI-driven side hustles actually are. You might be surprised to learn that AI isn't just for tech giants or large corporations. It's accessible to anyone with a bit of creativity and ambition. From automating mundane tasks to analyzing market trends, AI can streamline your efforts and maximize your earnings. Next, we'll highlight some of the most popular AI tools and platforms that can help you kickstart your side hustle journey. Whether you're interested in content creation, e-commerce, or even freelance services, there's an AI solution out there that can enhance your productivity and profitability. Throughout the video, we'll keep the tone engaging and informative, sparking your curiosity about the endless possibilities that AI offers. We want you to feel inspired and empowered to explore these innovative avenues for income generation. Finally, we'll emphasize the importance of embracing these new technologies as a means to achieve financial independence. In a world where traditional job security is becoming less reliable, exploring AI-driven side hustles could be your ticket to a more flexible and prosperous future. So stick around as we uncover the potential of AI in transforming your side hustle dreams into reality. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and even understanding natural language. In our everyday lives, we encounter AI in various forms, from virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation algorithms on platforms like Netflix and Amazon. In the business world, AI is revolutionizing operations by automating processes, analyzing data, and enhancing customer experiences. For side hustlers, understanding AI technology is crucial as it can significantly streamline processes and enhance productivity. Imagine being able to automate repetitive tasks such as scheduling invoicing or even social media posting. This not only saves time, but also allows you to focus on the creative aspects of your side hustle. By leveraging AI, you can work smarter, not harder, which is essential when juggling multiple responsibilities. There are numerous AI tools available that can assist you in launching and managing your side hustle. For instance, platforms like Canva use AI to help you design stunning graphics effortlessly, while tools like Grammarly enhance your writing by providing real-time feedback and suggestions. If you're into e-commerce, AI-driven analytics tools like Google Analytics can help you understand customer behavior and optimize your sales strategies. Additionally, chatbots powered by AI can handle customer inquiries on your website, ensuring that you provide excellent service without being tied to your computer. These tools not only improve efficiency, but also enhance the overall customer experience, which is vital for building a successful side hustle. In summary, AI technology is not just a buzzword. It's a game changer for side hustlers looking to maximize their potential and streamline their operations. Embracing these tools can lead to greater success and financial independence. As we explore the world of AI-driven side hustles, it's essential to identify specific opportunities that can generate income while aligning with your skills and interests. Let's dive into some popular options that are gaining traction in today's market. One lucrative avenue is content creation. With AI tools like Jasper and Copy.ai, you can generate high-quality written content for blogs, social media, or marketing campaigns. The demand for engaging content is ever-growing, and businesses are willing to pay well for skilled content creators. Depending on your experience and the niche you choose, earnings can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month. Another promising side hustle is virtual assistants. AI-powered platforms like Zirtual and Time, etc., connect virtual assistants with clients who need help managing their schedules, emails, and other administrative tasks. The market for virtual assistants is booming, especially as more businesses shift to remote work. Depending on your workload and expertise, you can earn anywhere from $15 to $50 per hour. Data analysis is also a hot field, especially with the rise of big data. If you have a knack for numbers, you can use AI tools like Tableau or Google Data Studio to analyze data for businesses. Companies are increasingly looking for insights to drive their decisions, and skilled data analysts can command impressive fees, often ranging from $30 to $100 per hour. As you consider these opportunities, it's crucial to assess your skills and interests. Think about what you enjoy doing and where your strengths lie. This self-reflection will help you choose a side hustle that not only has market demand, but also keeps you motivated and engaged. Remember, the best side hustles are those that align with your passions while leveraging the power of AI to maximize your potential earnings. So take the plunge and explore these exciting AI-driven opportunities. To successfully kickstart your AI-driven side hustle, having the right tools and resources at your disposal is crucial. First up is Canva, an intuitive design tool that uses AI to help you create stunning graphics, presentations, and social media posts without needing extensive design skills. Whether you're promoting your services or creating content, Canva makes it easy to produce professional quality visuals. Another essential tool is Grammarly, which employs AI to enhance your writing by providing real-time suggestions for grammar, style, and clarity. This is particularly useful for content creators and virtual assistants who need to communicate effectively. For those interested in data analysis, platforms like Tableau and Google Data Studio are invaluable. They allow you to visualize data and derive insights that can help businesses make informed decisions. These tools are user-friendly and come with a wealth of tutorials to help you get started. In addition to these tools, it's important to continuously learn and improve your skills related to AI and entrepreneurship. Websites like Coursera and Udemy offer a variety of courses on AI, data analysis, and business management. These platforms provide valuable knowledge that can enhance your expertise and increase your marketability. Don't forget the power of community. Engaging with online forums and communities can provide you with support, networking opportunities, and valuable insights. You can ask questions, share experiences, and even find potential collaborators for your side hustle. In summary, leveraging the right tools, continuously improving your skills, and connecting with supportive communities can set you on the path to success in your AI-driven side hustle. So take advantage of these resources and start building your entrepreneurial journey today. When it comes to maximizing your earnings from AI-driven side hustles, implementing effective strategies is key. First and foremost, effective marketing and promotion are essential for attracting clients and customers. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn to showcase your services and connect with your target audience. Create engaging content that highlights your expertise and the value you provide. Consider using AI tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule your posts and analyze engagement metrics, allowing you to refine your marketing strategy over time. Additionally, don't underestimate the power of networking. Attend virtual events, webinars, and local meetups to expand your connections and gain referrals. Another crucial aspect of maximizing your earnings is the importance of continuous learning and adapting to market trends. The world of AI and entrepreneurship is constantly evolving, and staying updated on the latest tools, techniques, and industry developments can give you a competitive edge. Invest time in online courses, webinars, and industry publications to enhance your skills and knowledge. This not only improves your service offerings, but also positions you as an expert in your field, which can lead to higher-paying opportunities. Lastly, tracking your progress is vital for understanding what works and what doesn't. Regularly assess your strategies and be willing to adjust them based on your findings. In summary, by implementing effective marketing strategies, committing to continuous learning, and diligently tracking your progress, you can maximize your earnings from your AI-driven side hustle. Stay proactive, adaptable, and focused on your goals, and watch your side hustle thrive. As we wrap up our exploration of AI-driven side hustles, let's recap the key points we've discussed today. We've seen how artificial intelligence is transforming the landscape of earning extra income, providing innovative opportunities for individuals to leverage their skills and creativity. From content creation and virtual assistants to data analysis, there are numerous avenues available for those looking to boost their financial independence. We also highlighted the importance of utilizing the right tools and resources, such as Canva for design and Grammarly for writing, to enhance your productivity and professionalism. Continuous learning is vital in this ever-evolving field, so investing in courses and staying updated on market trends can significantly impact your success. Additionally, effective marketing strategies and tracking your progress are essential for maximizing your earnings and ensuring that your side hustle thrives. Now that you have a solid understanding of AI-driven side hustles and their potential, it's time to take action. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with friends or family who might also benefit from this information. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you and others looking to explore new income opportunities. Don't forget to check out our channel or website for related content that can further enhance your learning journey. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you feel inspired and equipped to embark on your AI-driven side hustle journey. Remember, the possibilities are endless, and with the right mindset and tools, you can turn your aspirations into reality. Happy hustling!